guys, and welcome back to Krafty Kids Korner. And today we are going to be making slime, but this is not any type of slime. This is butter slime, and I haven't not made this yet, and I'm really excited to make it. But before we begin, if you're new to this channel or haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to become a member of my Krafty squad. So let's get started. So the first thing that you'll need to make your slime is you will need some white school glue. You know what? That's going to take a long time. I'm just going to screw up the cap. So I got all of that out. And now I'm going to be adding my baby oil. And mix that up. And this glue that I got is super thick, so it kind of looks like slime already. I'm going to be adding some lotion, and this lotion smells really good. And I do have some paint. It's kind of like butter slime colored. It's really dirty, but it's acrylic paint, and it's cool, so I'm going to use that. There we go. And now I'm going to be adding some of this. This is a vanilla and avocado foaming soap. That's probably good. Mix that up. Now I'm going to be adding in my paint. And I'm going to be adding in the clay last. And I'm going to be making this a little bit darker than usual because the clay will lighten it up. There we go. It's all mixed in. And I'm going to be adding in some of my water. Now I'm going to be adding in my baking soda. And I am using a different activator. I'm using baking soda in saline solution. Can't get this open. There we go. You want to make sure the baking soda is all mixed in. You do not want any clumps. Here we go. And now I'm going to be adding in saline solution. And it's forming. This is a workout. bit more baking soda. Getting my hand all messy. Getting into it. It's really sticky. Now I'm going to put some saline solution on the table so it doesn't stick to the table. I'm going to start kneading it with my hands. Sticky. There we go, it's coming off my hands. It's sucked in the paint. This is really stretchy slime. I'm going to add just a little bit more. Okay, now the final part, adding the clay. Stuck it in. Break it up. Ah, it's hard. It's actually getting really soft. The chunks are still in there. It's getting like really soft. You can definitely see the chunks in there. But the more mixing you do, the better it gets. I probably should have warmed the clay up in my hands first. Mixing in. And so that is how you make butter slime. And this, you will need to mix it more. And you probably won't need to mix it as much the more you mix it or knead it. And I actually really like this. It's really soft. So, thanks for watching. Bye!